Should I choose SMD or COB for indoor full-color large screen? You will understand after reading this. SMD surface mount technology. Stick the LED lamp beads on the circuit board. Then use reflow soldering to solder the lamp beads. SMD technology is relatively mature and the cost is relatively low, but its protection is poorer. Over time, the lamp beads are prone to falling off and dust entering. COB is a chip-on-board packaging technology, a display technology that puts the light-emitting chip directly onto the PCB board. COB features are a cold screen and low power consumption. And it is waterproof, scratch-proof, bump-proof, and fall-proof. COB screen has a better surface flatness, which is suitable for long-term close-up viewing.
Once installed, there will be no problems and it is very stable and reliable.